Saturday, September 3rd, 2016, Night of Elegance and Awards, recognizing distinguished Christians in our community. This will be a night of worship, music, dinner, awards, door prizes, and more. Photo ops by 21st Century Productions. Tickets are $25, $30 at the door and are available at these locations: Rough Cut Barbershop, 236 West Main Street, Washington, North Carolina; Platinum Style Salon, 1514 West 5th Street, Washington, North Carolina; Felicia's Fashion, 400 South Evans Street, Greenville, North Carolina; or you may call Deaconess LaTanya Burris at 252-412-6755 for more details.